Hey YouTube, Untamed here. So forgive me in advance, there's a lot of people walking around here. I'll do my best to really showcase this brand new 2024 Lexus GX550. It really is stunning. So this is the GX550 Overtrail, and I absolutely love it. I think this will be my pick between this and the 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser. You do get the twin turbo V6 in this, whereas you are kind of stuck with the iForce Max in the Land Cruiser, of course. Check out these wheels down here with some Toyo Open Country tires. We'll pop in while it's open, I guess, real quick, and just show you real quick what the interior looks like. Kind of nice. I didn't realize it had that green integrated soft material here. Pretty sleek. And some leather interior, kind of a very soft leather. I imagine it is real leather compared to the soft text leather that you find in the 4Runner. We'll pop up real quick. This is my first time ever sitting in the brand new GX550, and these seats are wickedly comfortable. Love it. Love the finishes all throughout. Very Lexus-y on the inside here. Some dark wood grain finishes here, it seems, or at least the look of it anyway. Get the mode select, all your off-roading goodies here, multi-terrain select, crawl control, your sunroof controls up here. And I'm sorry guys, I'm experiencing it for the first time with you here, and I do think it looks stunning. Black roof headliner. We do not get that. Well, up until now, we hadn't got that in the Sequoia TRD Pro, the 4Runner, or the Tundra, but now 2024 they're offering that for the TRD Pros. So love this. Your engine start stop is up top here. Let me know what you think. Excellent visibility all throughout. There's your sunroof there. You can kind of see it kind of humps upward in the back there, giving you a little bit more headspace for your passengers out back. You do get a 7-seater option in this, where that is not the case in the 2024 Land Cruiser. I'll show you down the side here. There's your cargo space out back. Plenty of room, obviously not with the third row seats here. Definitely a rad vehicle. Super impressed with it. I love this color too for the Overtrail. And the two-tone with the black roof, similar to what you find on the Land Cruiser with the grayscale roof, of course, what we get on the Land Cruiser. Shut this here. We'll show you the back seats real quick. So similar to what we find in the 4Runner. Not a tremendous amount of leg space, but you know, you're not buying this one for the extra room. You get the Sequoia if you're trying to get more room, or you get this bad Johnny over here, the LX 600. So let me do a real quick walk around of that, just so you can have a side-by-side of what these two beauties look like, and kind of get an idea, hopefully, what the size differences between them. You know, as I look at them side by side, they're pretty similar. But of course, you are going to get a little bit more in the LX 600. Well, you'd expect that for how much more it cost, of course. So you're 103,000 some change for the F Sport anyway. And that would be the one that I would shoot for. And that is what this one is here. So there's a side-by-side of the wheels. Both of them have some Toyo Open Countries on them, so pretty similar. Get an idea what the body lines look like by comparison. So this is very much, you know, what we find on the 300 series Land Cruiser around the world. And this is technically based on the quote-unquote Prado or the 250 series Land Cruiser. So the same body lines here. Love Lexus headlights. Absolutely love this. Get the swooping bow down here, kind of what we'd find on the LX 550 before in the 200 series. It's kind of become a staple. You get a wide bow out there on the 550. It's definitely a stunning vehicle. This one is outfitted with the Prinsu roof rack and of course a rooftop tent over there, the Yakima one. Get an idea what it looks like out back. So again, no split tailgate like what we had on the 570 and the 200 series. Now we just get one primary tailgate or primary hatch out back. Idea what it looks like down the line. Which one do you prefer? Which one would you take between the two, the 550 or the 600 over here? Definitely looks a little bit more rugged with the body lines on this one. We'll do one more shot across the front here and we'll call it good. So this one we do have the twin turbo V6 and I prefer that. I prefer that over the 4-cylinder i4 Max that we find in the Land Cruiser. I like that. I'm kind of shocked that they didn't offer this power plant within the new Land Cruiser, at least as an option. Kind of shocked to see that that was not an option. I do appreciate the fact that they didn't make this the entire huge spindle grille, kind of what we find on the LX 600 over here. I appreciate the less is more approach on the 550. The idea of the approach angles on each of them, you get a little bit more of a lip up front, whereas this one is more integrated toward the tires, so a little bit better of approach angle on the 550. So yeah guys, we'll wrap up the video there. Forgive me, I know this wasn't the best side-by-side shot of each of these vehicles, but wanted to just geek out for a few minutes here and get your thoughts on it. Which one would you take and why? Appreciate you watching as always. Till next time.